Oh, man. This is what sucks about basketball now. All this challenging the call. Man, it slows everything down. Come on.
There it is right there.
Ah.
To the net was Kansas State thought that it was a flagrant.
Oh, man. They're still trying to figure this thing out.
The officials went to
A die of old age before they solve this thing.
determine
Those who will not live by the law shall die by the law.
McGee getting downhill.
Oh, swatted. Let's go, Wildcats.
Johnson attacking the other direction.
Nice. Go, Wildcats. Yeah. Money. Money.
Haggerty. 22 points.
Easy. Easy money. See what you got, Bulldogs.
Jaden Epps.
Oh, dang.